vlog. Today, we're going to explore what multimedia and ICT are. What is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia refers to the use of combination of different content forms such as text, audio, images, animation, video, and interactive content. This contrasts with media that use only basic computer displays like text only or traditional forms of printed or hand-produced materials. With multimedia, you can navigate, interact, create, and communicate. You can find multimedia in various fields including education, business, government, broadcasting, and entertainment, health, research, and development.
Now let's talk about ICT. ICT is the of information communication technology. Example of ICT include radio, television, mobile phone, computer and network hardware, satellite system, services and application.
Several of ICT including software application and communication, such as telephone and other telecommunication of products, video equipment and other products that may contribute CDs, emails of World Wide Web, office products such as photocopy machines. There are also introduction of
I hope helps you to understand multimedia and ICT better.